Hello everyone, welcome to Lessons with Philip. Today we have two examples on the board to make as a change of subject to formula. Follow me as we solve together, okay? Now question number one, we has to make k as the subject of the formula. So we have t equals to mu square over k minus 5mg. Different people can use different methods. Some people can find the LCM of the right hand side of the equation. What you just need to do is to find a simpler method you can use to change the subject of formula. But for me, I want to remove this k by saying multiply through the equation by k. Okay? If I multiply through the equation by k, automatically each individual of the equation will be multiplied by k. So I have tk or kt, let's say kt equals to, if I multiply this one by k, I have k multiplied by mu squared over k minus 5kng. Please take note, each of them, if I still have plus 3, for example, this plus 3 will also be multiplied by k, okay? Please take note, if I'm multiplying through an equation, each entity in the equation will multiply by that factor, okay? So automatically, this k will remove this k, okay? So I have my kt, which is equals to mu squared minus 5kmg. So I can rearrange my equation. If I rearrange the equation, I have my kt. If I bring my minus 5kmg through the equation sign to the left hand side, my minus becomes plus. This what I wrote. Some people can say add 5kmg to both sides. This means you add to this side, you add to this side. Automatically, what you're adding to this side will remove this because it is minus this plus that, so it will remove this, okay? So, but I want to rearrange. If I rearrange, I bring this to this side, it becomes plus 5kmg equals to mu squared, okay? So now what is common? I want to factorize this side. If I factorize the left hand side, I have my k into bracket t plus 5mg equals to mu squared. Okay, now I want to remove what is attached to k again is what? This bracket. So divide, it is joined together by multiplication. What will I use to separate them? Division. So divide both sides by t plus 5mg. Okay, so automatically I have k into bracket t plus 5mg divided by t plus 5mg equals to mu squared divided by t plus 5mg. So this will cancel this. So I have my k equals to mu squared divided by t plus 5mg. Okay, that's the first question. Number two, we're given h equals m into bracket phi square minus u square all divided by 2gx, where it has to make phi the subject of the formula. What will I do? If I observe, I need to remove this fraction first because this fraction is one of the first things that is attached to everything that's attached to phi. So I must first remove what is the priority, what attached to the phi, what attached to phi, okay? So if I want to remove this 2gh, this 2gh is a fraction. So what will I use to remove? Division, okay? I will say, I will use multiplication to remove it. So I will say multiply both sides by 2gx. If I multiply both sides by 2gx, I have 2gx multiplied by h equals to 2gx multiplied by m into bracket phi squared minus u squared all over 2gx. Automatically, this 2gs will cancel this 2gs. So if I multiply this, I have 2hgx, which is equals to m into bracket phi squared minus u squared, all divided by, no, there's no division again because the division has been removed. Okay, so the next thing is what is joined together by f again. I have this bracket, but I have something that is joined to the bracket. I have to remove this one first because this is a factor that is joined to what is also joined to phi again. So how will I remove m? What is joined to what join m to this bracket is a multiplication. We have an invisible multiplication here. What will I use to remove it? Division. So I will say divide both sides by m again. If I divide both sides by m, I have 2hgx divided by m equals to phi squared minus u squared. Okay, so I have removed my m. Okay, do you know the way I remove my m? I have my m. This is what I have before. Okay, this is what I have before divided by m. This m will cancel this m, so I'll be left with this. Okay, do you understand? So this is what I'll be left with. Okay, so if you understand this, the next step is what is joined to v squared again? It is u squared. So u squared is joined to phi by what? By subtraction. What will I use to remove it? Addition. So I will say add u squared to both sides. If I add u squared to both sides, I have 2hgx all over m plus u squared equals to v squared minus u squared plus u squared. Minus u squared plus u squared will give me what? We cancel. Okay, so I'll be left with phi squared. Automatically I have, if I rearrange the equation, I have my phi squared equals to 2hgx divided by m plus u squared. Okay, what is joined to phi again is square. Okay, how do I remove my square? Is by square root. Okay, square root, the opposite. Okay, I'll say take the square root of both sides. If I take the square root of both sides, so I have my phi squared, the square root of my phi squared equals to square root of my 2hgx over m plus u squared. So this square will cancel this square root. So I have my v equals to square root of 2hgx over m plus u squared. Please take note. What we have here is not the same thing as v equals to square root of 2hgx plus u squared all divided by m. This and this are not the same. Please take note. This M is only attached to 2HGS. This one is an addition factor to this fraction, okay? So this is my final answer, okay? If you find this helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe to my video. Press the notification button to receive more of my videos, okay? Thank you so much. See you later. Bye.